Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you have this no signal floating issue on your Coocaa CNTF2NZ TV. So in such case, the most probable issue is that you haven't scanned for available channels or didn't properly connect the cable, the digital cable or the analog cable to your TV. In such case, we have a separate video on our channel on how to scan for available channels on your TV, and also I mentioned it in the setup process video that's also available on our channel. But basically all you have to do is press menu button on your remote control and you'll go directly to the channel scan menu. Here you can use auto tuning and then select your country, your channel type or satellite type, and after that your TV will begin scanning for available channels. However, if you don't want to use channels but you still see this no signal, you can just change the source. So this would be, of course, the most useful if you connect some external device to your TV, as your TV will not show you anything without being connected to, or without having any other external device connected to your TV. So either your gaming console or the USB flash drive with media on it will do a good job. So just press the search button and then use arrow keys to navigate in this menu to change the input source. So we have digital TV here, analog TV here, AV, if you have a DVD, HDMI sources for your gaming console, or media for USB flash drive. And after switching to a different source, check whether your TV shows you something. And if you checked everything and your TV should be displaying channels or your gaming console or media from your USB, but it doesn't, and all you see is no signal, then just try restarting your TV, doing the cold reset as it's called. So all you have to do is turn off the TV and unplug it from the power source, leave it like this for about a minute, and after that plug it back into the power source and then press the power button on your remote control to turn on the TV again and let it restart, and after that the problem should be resolved. Now if not, then you should definitely reach out to customer service support team. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.